Hey guys, I thought you had enough of E36, but apparently you haven't, and that's me doing the video for you. So this is a driving review of the E36 318. If that is confusing enough. Earlier video we saw the 328 while I was driving it and I was pinpointing what was wrong with it. And now the 318 and doing my review of how it is and what needs to be fixed. Well, firstly, I'm not sure if you can hear that. Yeah, there is a small vibration. It's coming through. That's the mounting. So the mounting must be changed, and after that the car will be super quiet. Probably all three. I think the engine mounting as well as the mounting for the gearbox. Yeah. But once it's moving, the vehicle is very smooth. It pulls. Compared to the 328, the 318, what I've noticed is that it's not as powerful, but you know what? It's sufficient. It's sufficient enough to drive. You might feel that the revs go up a little bit more, but I think it's totally fine. I was carrying my kids, 4 of us in the car, and had no issue moving and driving. And one of the biggest difference of driving the 318 opposed to 328 was the front end. The front end on 318, it's very nimble, it's very light. One quick flick of the steering, as you can see there, it just flicks in very quickly. It feels very light. I can't describe it any other way, but it's a very light front end. That's how I can think of. The back, the power obviously isn't there as much as the 328, but I don't feel it when driving on normal roads, like cruising along, doing about 40-50 km in a housing around problem. To get up to speed, you just gotta put the foot down a little bit more, and once you're at 100, you know what, 100 or 120 is totally fine. This would not do very high speeds very well, like 140 and 130 on this car. It's like you're there, you're just in that limit, you're driving there, and it's fine, but you feel that your RPM is actually quite high. But other than that, the car is steady, it's smooth, it goes, not a problem. If you do it 140, 160 any day, not a problem whatsoever. High speeds, it's just easy for the car. But said that, coming back to the stock condition, the interior, as you can see there, is brilliant. I saw the video earlier I showed you. Interior is brilliant, very comfortable, very nice. It smells good in here. I can't describe how good it is. The steering, I got a all new stock steering, and it's clean and nice. We got new rearview mirror, very clear to look at the back. Headliner is very nice and very clean. Nothing is broken except for that bottom pillar cover. I got to find that, and other than that, it drives brilliantly. I got a date in for the paint shop on the 18th. So 18th, this car is going to get painted. We got to go with the same theme of silver, so it's going to be a silver color, but a newer BMW silver inspired color, because we're spending a lot of money in the car. It's going to be one of those cars that will if I sell it, I want to sell it at a premium, because it's in a good condition, and I want to give it the respect and love it needs by putting just that little more premium color to it. So that's the plan, and I think it'll be a good one. If you got any ideas on what color to choose, it has to be silver, but think of a nice silver to use. Maybe Porsche GT silver. Is that too much to use? No, I won't go Porsche. But even BMW itself, they are very known to make beautiful silvers. I want to hear your thoughts, and that's about it. Inside, driving the car, zero faults. The car got zero faults, except that the mounting needs to be changed. And can you hear that squeak? There's a small squeak with the accelerator pedal. I need to push some 40 there, and the car is totally fine. Okay guys, cheers. See you next time. Let me know what I should do for the next video. So this is the second video for the 318. I think next video we should look at the mechanics and a buying guide of how to buy E36. I think you like that one. Okay, guys. Till next time, this is me saying stay safe, and as always, go out there and have a little more fun. Bye, guys.